Hi, my manga friends and cartooning friends. I have a fun character to show you today. You know, people sometimes say draw from shapes, and that's great, but they don't tell you that you also need to vary the shapes, different contrasts. So we're going to use that for a small manga character. So we'll start with a big circle for the head, and people sometimes say, I can't draw a circle, and you know, it's just a starting point. It doesn't have to be perfect. That can be sketchy. Then we'll draw this little fanned out dress right here for this little character. See, we're getting everything in place before we start to draw the details. Just erase this so I make the head a little wider. You see, adjusting, always adjusting as you go along. Sometimes you see some people on YouTube, great artists, but they make it seem like they do it right away, just through, without any changes, and that's really not how artists work. So here's another leg right here, a little tiny exaggerated leg, okay? I'm going to put the center line down here and a low eye line. The cute character will have the eyes very low on the head. And I'm going to darken this in afterwards. So I'll put just a big dot over here, kind of kawaii style, and a dot over here for the eyes. It's just sort of button eyes, okay? A rather indicated nose, I'll just put like a little bridge of the nose there. And now the mouth will show a little bit of concern. A small mouth. If it's concerned, just a small mouth will do it. Eyebrows up. Exaggerate that look. And now we're going to bring this down a little bit tapered. See, now adjust the circle a little bit. Just a little tapered here. Not too much. Matter of fact, I'm going to make it a little bit fuller. And we'll finish this up when I use a marker, okay? We'll bring the hair down, lots of hair, and over here, and low ears. See, low ears, just small too. Now before we finish it, we're going to put that little strand of hair in front of here that you see on so many cute manga characters. Matter of fact, I'm going to leave out, just an indication for the nose, like that, just a little tiny open mouth. So another little adjustment. Bump the hair out so it's not just if it stays just a circle, it kind of looks like a hair helmet, and you don't want that. Bring this up here. Now I have a little bit of those poofy shoulders that you see on some dresses, and I'll have it come over the face a little bit so the shoulders are rising up because she's like a little embarrassed. A little floor line here. Now we will give her gigantic pigtails, so really exaggerate. You see, you have the shape of the circle, a fanned out shape, and then two straight shapes. That's really what this character is, just a variety of shapes. And I'll put a little ribbon indication here, and then we'll go for it. Okay, let me grab my marker and go over this. We'll give it a little look like that. I'm going to actually take that nose off. See, it's another thing I'm going to do. I don't think I even need it. Do you think I need it? No, Chris, you don't need it. That's what I thought. Okay, so here's a little eyebrow. A little ear. And nice strand here. Both about the same size, so the same length. So you check as you do it. I'm going to bring out that puffiness here for the shoulders. And fan this out, like so. I want to give her a couple of buttons here. Now let's work that face in. We already know the outline of this. Just be careful so you keep it nice and round. That'll work. Now give a little bit of ruffles to the top. Remember, we have the part right here. So I'll go around it like this. And over this way. That's one leg. And the other. We're going to shade a little under this. because light comes from above and leaves a little shadow under here. And that gives a little depth. Let's put a little shadow under here too. Okay. And now we'll draw those ribbons. And big, fun pigtails that hover just above the ground. You notice that they come up before they come down. They don't just come down, not like real life, in case you haven't realized, this isn't real life. Okay, and a little shadow above these too, which is kind of fun. Now, if you need a little shading here, I think what would look good is do it a little subtly, like that. That's all. Okay, well there you go. My name is Christopher Hart. I forgot to say that. The author of many books on how to draw, especially anime and manga. This is a kawaii type character, but I have a book on other types of characters too. I have one called Manga for the Beginner Kawaii, which is a great book for this, and regular manga characters, and the Master Guide to Drawing Anime, which is a really popular guide that people are enjoying. Thank you very much to all my viewers and readers. And you can get this everywhere. Michael's, Amazon, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, Barnes & Noble. Thanks for watching with me. More good stuff to come. Subscribe. Every Monday you'll get a new free video. Bye-bye.